Tonight I ask you, are you living in creation or are you trapped in illusion? Let us take the matter of money. You look at the account and call the digits reality, but I tell you, they are shadows that rise and fall, here today and gone tomorrow. True reality is found only in the assumption you dare to hold as fact, for that alone endures and compels the world to mirror it. So I set before you two ways this night, the fading path of illusion and the unfailing path of creation. Which will you choose? You check the mailbox, and among the letters lies the notice of payment due. The figures glare back at you, and they scream, lacking, always lacking. You look at your account, and the digits mock you, as though they hold the power of life and death. You let the paper dictate your mood, and at once your heart sinks, your hands grow cold, your whole being trembles, and you say, "This is reality. This is the truth of my life." But I tell you, that is illusion. The numbers, the letters, the so-called facts, they are shadows, nothing more. They rise today and fall tomorrow. They change with every mail, with every balance sheet. Yet you bow before them as if they were eternal. You hand them your peace, your joy, your very breath, when all along they are powerless unless you entertain it. Facts change, facts vanish, but the assumption you dare to hold, this alone endures. This alone creates. But suppose, this very moment, you dared to accept another fact. If your account were not merely full, but bursting with more than you could ever spend, overflowing until the figures lost all meaning, what would you feel? Would you not laugh at the thought of lack? Would you not breathe as one intoxicated with freedom? Would not every step tomorrow carry the weight of wealth, and yet the lightness of joy? Tell me, could you even remember the days of lack, or would they fade like a dream that never truly was? And with such abundance, would you not feel the joy of giving without measure? Would you not delight in helping others, in lifting another as effortlessly as you breathe? For that too is creation. For when your cup runs over, the world itself must drink from your overflow. That feeling, once possessed and sustained, is the only creation there is. Creation does not wait upon numbers to shift, nor circumstances to change. Creation claims the state now, and the world compelled must follow. To fail in imagination is only to refuse faith in your own imagining. There is no other failure. I tell you, the law never fails, and to refuse it is the only defeat you will ever know. So I say to you, numbers are illusion. Assumption of wealth is creation. Choose this day whom you will serve, facts that banish or faith that creates. Concern yourself not with how, but with the certainty that it is already done. I demand of you, dare to prove this law in your own divine drama. Will you bow before the numbers, or will you live from your creation? Declare it, for the world you see tomorrow will be nothing but the assumption you hold tonight.